What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2007 Honda VTX 1300. Guys, this bike's super nice. It's got a couple little blemishes here and there. Let's start in the rear. Chip on that rear fender. Chip right there as well. Scratch right there. It has an ever so slight dent right here. I don't know if you can see that. Ever so slight. I mean, I would have never noticed it, but I was just cleaning it, so I noticed it. It has bub exhaust, never seen that before. The tank is crazy clean, and an ever so slight dent and scratch right there. You can see that. You can kind of see the little tiny indentation right there. It's all in really nice shape. Front fender's in good shape. Scuff right there, scuff right there. Scuff right there. Nope, I was just washing that. Scuff there. Looks like where the seat used to be. Oh, it can come off. It's got a single Mustang. It's got some scratches on the top of the tank here. You can see those. 13,000, I want to say. 13,183 miles. Far as a running. Got Michelin's with plenty of tread on the front and on the rear, so most of the scratches are here on the rear fender. Like I said, there's just some scuffs. Not a big deal, pretty common. You know, there used to be a back seat on it. Someone's kicking their leg over it. But like I said, guys, 2007 Honda VTX 1300. It's a great looking bike, guys. Let me know if it's something you're interested in. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.